Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. And I put, you know, a little bit too much. So it go a little bit too much tobacco inside. Look at that, my friend. Look at that. They are perfect. They are smokable. It's so nice. Look at that. Every cigarette is perfect. Look at that. Look at that. 20 cigarettes, there is no one which is not perfect. Look at that. Look at this quality. And you were saying to me, don't buy my machine. Oh, look at that. There is too much tobacco. I go to make the regulation, you know, this, I put it a little bit too much inside. I go to and a little bit. Look at that. Look, your machine is perfect for CBD. Look at that. Look at that. So perfect. It's so perfect. So perfect. And every single cigarette is nice. You know, it's not Marlboro. It's not, you know, there is a little bit space sometime, but it's saleable. we go to sell that. It's got to be very good, very nice, very nice.